Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by centering your page and drawing a small filled circle for the pupil. Once done, sketch a slightly larger circle around it as the iris. Make a vertical guideline to keep symmetry. This helps when you add layers. Next, draw a wider oval or teardrop shape enclosing the iris to form the eye's main body. Make sure to keep lines light so you can refine edges. This gives you control before committing to darker ink. Now build the protective rings. Add an outer ring, then alternate colors or shading, dark, light, dark, to create contrast. Once you have rings, insert small radiating lines or dot patterns between them. This adds texture and visual rhythm. Next, define the outer eye contour with a smooth teardrop or almond shape. This is the talisman outline. As you work, step back occasionally to check balance and symmetry, and refine. Finish by inking or darkening the final shapes and filling the pupil solidly to anchor the design. Once inked, add color gradients or flat fills to the rings to enhance depth. Blues and whites work well for classic protection symbolism. After drying, erase remaining guidelines and tidy edges. If one side looks uneven, flip the paper to view in mirror or redraw the outer contour lightly to match. This simple fix corrects asymmetry without redoing the whole piece.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.